Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best stropping kit is probably one of the most important tools for any knife enthusiast. It's the secret weapon for maintaining razor-sharp edges on your knives. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of knife stropping kits, exploring what makes a great kit, and showing you how to keep your blades in top condition. Get ready to transform your dull knives into precision cutting machines. Number 5. Bacher Leather Strop Kit for Knife Sharpening. This premium leather strop is handmade in Poland. It's crafted from high-quality vegetable leather and a hardwood handle. The design ensures a superior sharpening experience. The strop features a large working surface for flexibility. Its size allows for easy polishing of the blade. It provides a comfortable grip for extended use. This double-sided paddle strop offers both smooth and rough leather surfaces. You can choose the side that best suits your needs. It allows for different levels of polishing. This strop is perfect for various tools, including razors and knives. It's designed to keep any blade incredibly sharp. It's a versatile tool for any craftsman. The kit includes softening balm and 4 grits of polishing compound. These compounds are designed to enhance the leather's performance. They help achieve the sharpest possible edge. What we like. This strop is handmade in Poland, ensuring top-notch quality and craftsmanship. It features a large working surface, providing flexibility when polishing your blades. If you are looking for a premium strop with included special honing compounds for various grits, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This leather strop is well built and has thick leather on each side, so it should last for a long time. It comes with a smooth and rough side so you can strop any burrs off and clean the blade as well. It included 5 compounds of varying fineness for any specific needs of the person using it. Number 4. BeaverCraft LS2P1 Knife Sharpening Strop Kit. This kit includes a double-sided leather strop. The smooth side is for use with the included polishing compound, while the rough side can be used on its own. The compact size of this knife strop makes it perfect for use anywhere. Take it with you to the workshop or even into the field. It adds mobility to your hobby. The included stropping compound makes sharpening your knives incredibly easy. Apply it to the smooth side of the strop for optimal results. It will make your tools razor sharp with minimum effort. This product is made in Ukraine, ensuring the famous European quality. You can trust that it is made with care and precision. This leather strop features a double-sided design for versatile use. Use the smooth side with the compound for polishing, and the rough side for basic honing. It's a complete solution for your knife care needs. What we like. This kit offers a convenient size, making it easy to strop your tools anywhere. It comes with a polishing compound to make your tools razor sharp with minimal effort. If you are looking for a portable and high-quality strop, this European-made kit is the one for you. What people say. Great little strop at this price. Thick and sturdy yet flexible. Very good quality leather, nicely finished. Included compound variety, nice quality as well. This leather strop is excellent quality and works perfectly for keeping my carving tools razor sharp. The leather is smooth and durable, and it pairs well with a sharpening compound for a fine edge. Nice large size of real leather for blade stropping. One side is smooth and one is rough, and since I wanted to have access to either side, I ordered another so I can attach them to a single flat board and choose either side depending on the need. Number 3. Sharp Pebble Leather Strop Kit. This classic bamboo-based leather strop boasts high build quality, is lightweight, and highly durable. The non-slip rubber base, premium cowhide leather, and classic design make it an ideal choice for professionals to keep their tools razor sharp. This sharpening strop block uses premium quality genuine cowhide leather. Using the included green honing compound, you can quickly achieve a true mirror polish on your blade edges. After sharpening, finish with this strop for an extremely sharp edge. Due to its lightweight and durable design, it's easy to hold without causing strain. You can also secure it on a table, as the non-slip rubber base ensures safe use. Applying the green compound evenly will help polish your blade edges quickly. This strop is designed to hone all your tools to a razor-sharp edge quickly. It can sharpen chef's knives, hunting knives, pocket knives, woodworking chisels, straight razors, axes, and more. Your complete kit includes a premium leather strop, green polishing compound, and a detailed ebook. The ebook is filled with tips and tricks that will appeal to every skill level, helping you get the most out of this product. What we like. This strop uses premium cowhide leather for unmatched performance and a true mirror polish. The non-slip rubber base ensures safe and secure use. If you like a complete kit with an ebook guide for all skill levels, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The green abrasive is great for sharpening with this leather strop for the final touches. This strop does in fact finish your blade to a mirror finish, which just screams sharp. A cooking or camping knife can be brought to a true razor's edge with this leather strop. Number 2. Leather strop kit for knife sharpening. This paddle strop features a suede side and a smooth side. The suede side is designed for use with honing paste, while the smooth side is perfect for the final sharpening. Use both sides to maintain a sharp cutting edge. The kit includes 2 polishing compounds, white compound with 1 micron aluminum oxide and green compound with 0.5 micron chrome oxide. These compounds enhance the polishing process, ensuring a razor-sharp edge. The wood base is crafted from American ash with a contoured handle for a secure grip. It's designed for comfort and durability, making it suitable for both professionals and beginners. The high-density wood handle is comfortable for long-term use. This leather paddle strop is ideal for honing various tools, including axes, folding knives, chisels, and plain blades. It's a versatile tool for maintaining the sharpness of your blades. The kit includes a leather stropping block, green buffing compound, and white polishing compound. The stropping block can be well stabilized, and it's safe and effective for sharpening knives. What we like. This paddle strop features a double-sided design with suede and smooth leather for versatile use. It includes white and green polishing compounds to enhance the polishing process. If you are looking for a well-designed strop with a comfortable contoured handle, this is the one for you. What people say. Once you have taken care to ensure your knives are sharp at the outset, most of the time when your kitchen or other knives seem like they need sharpening, e.g., using the whetstone or diamond stone, what they really need is a few passes with a honing rod and leather strop to bring them back to the razor cutting edge you expect. This strop is generously sized, large enough to handle my cleaver and large kitchen knives, but also manageable for my smaller bladed pocket knives. The smooth side is great to use undressed and the rougher side holds the stropping compound well for more aggressive work. This works well for maintaining or polishing an edge and is a good value. Number 1. BeaverCraft LS6P1 Leather Strop Kit. This kit is perfect for both beginners and professionals. It helps maintain the sharp edge of your woodcarving tools. Use both sides to keep your knives in top condition. The kit includes polishing compound, so you can start sharpening immediately. It's suitable for all types of knives and other woodcarving tools. This makes sharpening easy and convenient. The ashwood handle provides a comfortable grip. It's designed for both professionals and beginners. This allows for easy and effective use. You'll receive ebooks on how to sharpen knives. They cover various skill levels. This provides valuable guidance for users. This kit comes from a European producing site. It meets high standards and requirements. You can be assured of its quality. What we like. This strop features an ergonomic ashwood handle for comfortable use. It includes a polishing compound, so you can start sharpening immediately. If you are a beginner or professional looking for a strop with included ebooks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The wood is flat and the 2 leathers are applied and aligned just right. The polishing compound worked really good and brought my knife to a razor-sharp edge. The 14 strop is a good size for kitchen knives. They use good quality leather that retains polishing compound well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.